Hi guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. Please, 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 don't prove I'm right. Please, 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 don't bring me. Please, 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 don't bring me to tears when I just did my makeup so nice. Please, 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 don't prove I'm right. Please, 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 don't bring me to tears when I just did my makeup so nice. I know I have good judgment, I know I have good taste. It's funny and it's ironic that only I feel that way. I promise them that you're different, and everyone makes mistakes, but just don't. Just don't. I heard that you're an actor, so act like a stand-up guy. Whatever devil's inside you, don't let him out tonight. I tell them it's just your culture, and everyone rolls their eyes. Yeah, I know. All I'm asking, baby, please, 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 don't prove I'm right. Please, 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 don't bring me to tears when I just did my makeup so nice. Please, please, don't prove I'm right. Get your bathroom. Because of the lights. Lighting is not lighting. Okay. At all.
In this small room, it's a toilet and a shower. Here you will see 2 white towels, the other one hanging there. Down here you'll see your toilet. On the side, it's 2 rolls of tissue or toilet paper. When moving to the side, you'll see your shower. And let's see what's inside the shower. When you open, on your left, you will see your 2 tap handles. And then shower cap on top. On the side, it's space for your skin keratin product. And then when you go down, you will see some space. I think it's for you to sit down when you wash your feet. Moving to the wardrobe, the cupboards. There's a very small cupboard for 2 people because as you saw with the birds, this room is for 2 people. When you open on top, there's nothing really, there's enough space, I think, to put your other stuff. Then there are hangers for clothes that needs to be hanged. The bottom, it's extra blankets. Next to the cupboard, you will see your coffee station where there's everything that you're gonna need, your tea, your coffee, and your kettle. Moving far along, you will see your small or your bar fridge. Yes, it's a very small fridge. It's a bar fridge. Next to it, it's a window. And then that is the rest of the room. These are just our beds. You already saw them. They are made. Everything looks clean. Everything looks right. So I think we're happy with this.
Thank you, sir. As well.
Don't worry. I know the Poppy act. I can't receive her to Clarissa Dijoel. Ba bolelo dijo tsa go di monate. Wa kgona go bona hela. Ke di best fela. We are here for dinner. We are about to have dinner. I'm breaking out. I don't know if it's the ivy or what's going on, but these pimples are just having a full day with my face. Anyway, let's eat. I'll tell you guys how the food tastes, but also look, it's the best fella. So I'm hoping it's the best fella. Well, I'm going to pork, please. The chicken is pork. Chicken is pork.
Takeaway eating como la fuma. Takeaway. Like a takeaway. There's a basketball. No, most of the basketball is over the hundred.
Hi guys, we are back from dinner. From dinner we went straight to the conference room because we had a mini briefing. Literally we just introduced ourselves and then that was it. We came back to our rooms. So right now I just finished ironing my clothes, my outfit for tomorrow, and then now I'm trying to fix my hair before I take a shower. Because you know what happened with her? Nekere is radical. So I put that mousse, garlic out radical, and then I ran out of time, and then got for hela. No yana. Mousse utrile muraka one. So I'm trying to get rid of it. No yet. So that's the situation. Giving. Let me go bath. See you guys tomorrow morning.
I'm sorry that you seem to be confused. He belongs to me. Boy is mine. This time I got this straight. We're sitting up face to face. There is no way you could mistake. Oh, your man, are you insane?
Yes, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I go by the name Sloko Ushu. Today it's a Monday morning. We are going out for breakfast. See you at breakfast.
Yeah, I know that you may be jealous of me, but you're fine if you can't see that his love is all in me. See, I tried to hesitate. I didn't want to say what you told me. You said without me you couldn't make through the day that I shine. Maybe you misunderstood, 'cause I can't see how we could wanna take time and that's so good. Oh, my love was all it took.
We are in our rooms packing again because we have to move. There's been changes, so we're moving to another accommodation. At this point we are busy packing our clothes, so please stick around.
Sorry, that really do.
We are now going to the conference room. I'm not gonna vlog in there because, like I said, I get looking at the work what in this vlog. The only work you're gonna see their artistry because we need more clients, okay? Alright. See you guys later. And also we take a hood. We're taking ticket. Tako ba nakalaro? Hari ba na? Laho zumain. Dito niya. Okay. Alright. I see you. Hi guys, we're done with our first session. Now we're at the restaurant to lunch. So, this was this vlog. I first lunch, dinner, breakfast, lunch, dinner. So yeah, please be patient with me. Rice only. Yes. Oh yes, speaking and I gotta get your name. Thank you. Hi guys, we are at the mall. We can check out outfit because the outfit is like how do you give it? Like hadina bu winter. So I'm looking for something nice. Hi guys, what a day it's been. Today was just raining. I'm not in the mood for anything. See you guys tomorrow. Good night. Usular content guy today. Mabani Fisu. Carry on the things we've been through. Content is not contenting. Tumenang, the car, doing great, thank you. Lena ke batla botsa go ra botolo ra e batla ba o re le ba re strict leave other kids. Jangan saya there's nothing to be afraid of. The personal matters. So this is my room. I am in room 1 and this is how it looks. Let me show you guys from the door. On your left it's the bathroom and this is how it looks. This is your toilet. From the toilet On your right, it's the shower. Guys, I love the shower so much. The other room had the bathtub. I was like, I'm not doing this. This is the mirror. I'm still wearing my outfit. Although my outfit of the day, yes, I'm still wearing my outfit of the day. I love that they put this mirror here for me. It's as if they knew that I'm a makeup artist. Or I'm gonna need it for when I do my makeup. It's just my makeup bag. Towels here for me. They look clean and nice. I'm happy with all of this. When you enter the room, on your left you're gonna see the wardrobe. I won't be able to reach there, so I think I'll just open here because okay, let me put on the flash. We needed a bit of flash. Now it looks better. I think these are extra blankets because it's cold, guys. It's been raining ever since we got here. The space for my clothes, I'm not gonna unpack because I'm only sleeping tonight and tomorrow night. I've learned my lesson with unpacking because anything can happen, so I'm not gonna unpack for now. You've got the safe, and then here I think you can just put your other things, your undies, and but I'm not going to unpack. We're done. This is just an emergency evacuation. I don't think I've seen one in the other guest houses or the hotel that we were staying at previously. Here is a full mirror for me, for my outfits in the morning. To see if they knew that I love it. This is a small bar fridge. There's water, the food that I got from the kitchen, and the drinks that I got. There's nothing really in the fridge, right? From the fridge, it's this long table, the trash bin, the chair. On the table we have the remote for the TV, for the decoder, and for the aircon. You have water. You're gonna get a full bottle of water. You have your kettle, 2 cups and 2 glasses. You have your milk, omelette, 5 roses, free coffee, sugars and sweeteners. You also have a microwave. You know what I like about guest houses? The microwave and the kettle. It's so thoughtful. With the hotel, guys, like they're literally forcing you to eat at the restaurant. And here is another big mirror that I like. Right. And then there's this couch on the corner. Oh, I went to the mall. I bought things at P&A and some things from a surprise. I will unbox them before I sleep or before I go shower. Those are just my shoes that I wore for the day. And then here is a very big window, but it's at night, so you're not gonna see it. And then on this side, it's a bed, a double bed. Right, it's so nice. This room is so spacious and nice. I like it. I really do like it. Oh, this was my outfit for the day, guys. I didn't take any videos because the way I was so demotivated to vlog today, I didn't vlog anything because I felt like, I was doing a repetition of everything. In the morning I go eat. I can't even vlog when I'm in the room. Let me just remove the flash for now. Like, I cannot vlog when I'm in the conference room because I don't want to vlog anything work related. The only work that you're gonna see, like I said already, it's artistry by Tsulukushu. But anything else, you're just gonna see my work outfits, just gonna see me traveling. I'm just gonna show you guys it's just work related content, but I'm not gonna like give you more than that because I don't want my channel to be about my current job, right? The only job or work that I'm gonna be showing here, artistry, and that's it. I feel like because it's so dark you can't see it properly, but it's brown print from a surprise, this sweater from a surprise, and this black handbag, this one. The heels, it's these ones. I took them off when I got here, and then I wore my because we are going to the mall. So that's the situation. So yeah, let me go remove my. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do get unready with me before or at night. Something is going on with Amanda King. Then there's something, I don't know what's going on. There are sounds coming out of that fan. I don't know what's going on. Okay, it's quiet now. As I was saying, my nighttime routine is very easy. I bath. After bathing, I look for an outfit for tomorrow. Like, I prepare my things for tomorrow morning. So that in the morning, the only thing I have to worry about is my hair and my makeup. That's it. Hi guys. Get ready with me. It's been a long day. As you can see, about makeup or headile. Makeup or headile, guys. Yo, like, now I see the importance of what's this? Oh, I just bought this micellar water from Mr. Price. It's a Scarlet Hill product. You know I'm obsessed with Scarlet Hill. I'm saying for the past few days I ran out of baking powder, right? The translucent loose powder. So I was like, ah man, I've got my banana baking powder. Now I see the difference. And I've been trying out this Maybelline. It's the Maybelline setting spray. I've been trying it out. Now I've gotten my answer. Look at how I look at the end of the day. And it's not even hot. It's been raining most of the time. I don't understand. So it goes to show what that powder is very important, because if I had it on, you wouldn't be here. You wouldn't be looking like this at the end of the day. At the end of the day. So I'm removing my makeup because I'm gonna get ready for bed. And I'm using this micellar water that I got from Mr. Price. So this shows that a very good setting spray and a translucent loose powder. I wouldn't be here being in a hurry to remove my makeup because it looks very shiny. And let me tell you what, I've been puffing. Do you see those powder puffs, the triangle ones? I have one in my handbag. So every time my face looks a bit shiny, nice. But still, I can't be having my makeup looking like this at the end of the day. What are my clients supposed to think? They're gonna think, oh my gosh, my makeup is also gonna look like this at the end of the day. Or maybe it's because I don't use the sealant spray, because I know that spray works. I only use it for my clients. For me, I just save it for my clients because I struggle to get that spray. Christiana, I had someone who used to sell it for me, then Noni's Beauty or something, but I lost her number and I don't know where I got it from in the first place. So I'm really struggling to get that spray. I was thinking of that setting spray. I was thinking of buying it this weekend when I go to Joburg. So yeah. And my face has been so prone to pimples, guys. I don't know what's going on. Do you see there's a pimple here? There are fresh pimples here. Like pimple like on today. The way people talk about it, go like on today. So yeah. Let me bath. Or before I bath me, because I'm going to take it over to some plastic in here. Let me show you guys the things that I bought today at the mall before we go clap. Hi besties. So I went to P&A to buy a few things. I actually wanted things for my office. I wanted a devotion and a diary because I've been looking for one since the beginning of this year. Well, I was not purposefully looking. I wanted something that's gonna, when I see it, right? And today I finally found it. But let's start with this. This is what I got for my office. I know. I know. Let's have one next to pinky, guys. Just leave me alone, please. Just leave me alone. Of course, they have to be pink. It's the puncher, the stapler, gonna stapler more, and other things. But this is what I got for my office today. I've been buying things like biggie for my office. And everything has been pink up to so far, so yep. I also got myself a diary, a 2026 diary. Of course it's pink also. Of course it's pink. This is how it looks. It's so cutesy, right? I love it so much. It's so cutesy. It's giving everything it's supposed to give. And this is how what it looks like inside. I think the first page is where I'm supposed to be writing my details in case I lose it and someone finds it. Oh, another thing that I like about this diary is that it's got like a motivational message for each and every day, right? So let's check one for today, 21st of April. Okay, we close the 21st. This one, there's a message here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me read it for you guys. It says, you have enemies? Good. This means you've stood up for something sometime in your life. So if you've got enemies, that's good. It means you stood up for something. What attracted me to this diary is the design on the outside. It's giving girl, it's giving girly, it's giving a feminine girl. When I looked in the inside and I was like, this is what I've been looking for. This is just taking my breath away. I'm not leaving it, so here. My favorite purchase of today was this devotion. It's written Daily Wisdom for Women, right? Guys, devotion like every year, like at the beginning of the year, I want to buy myself a new devotion, and I always lose my devotions to my friends or my cousins, and I bought myself one this year. I'm not losing it to anyone at the end of this year, okay? So yeah, so let's hear what are they saying today, the 21st of March, not March, April. Guys, why do I think it's so much? Yo, guys, it's almost May. So the verse for today, the 21st of April, is this one. It says right living, this one. So let's read on it. It says, riches gotten by doing wrong have no value, but right living will save you from death. This is from Proverbs 10 verse 2. We continue, right? I'm on this paragraph. Solomon spoke on many topics, and how we deal with and pursue money is an important one. Proverbs 21 verse 6 says, wealth that comes from telling lies vanishes like a mist and leads to death. As one of the wealthiest men to ever live and the recipient of wisdom from God, Solomon is well qualified to speak on the subject. Wealth in and of itself is not wrong, but ill-gotten wealth is a burden and a trap. Doing wrong is always wrong. Short-term gains achieved by lying will be lost. Madlanga Commission again. It is not wrong to want to make a good living. It is not what Solomon is speaking to in this passage. He is admonishing the wise to focus on what truly matters, our character. If we live rightly, that is with integrity, we have nothing to hide. Everything we do will be enhanced by living this way, including how we make our living, right? Oh Lord, help me to keep my focus on what truly matters. I want to grow strong in integrity. I know everything else will flow from that. I think this is a little prayer for after reading the message for the day, right? Or the word of the day. So, I get to expand from there. Baba nandi tsebe ba utlile. Baba senandi tsebe wa hel ditla wela mo gore tsa ga morakile, right? So that's the situation. I love these two books. I think I'm gonna get a bigger handbag because I need them in my handbag, and the handbag that I have right now is very small. I also bought a few things from Mr. Price. Obviously I did. Guys, I'm such a Mr. Price fan. Like, it's not even funny anymore. So, sorry, Lady Red Tag. So I got this shower cap for 20 rand from Mr. Price because I realized that I left a lot of things at home. I left in a hurry. I was just not prepared for this trip. I don't know where my mind was, but I was just not prepared for this trip. So I forgot a lot of things. I had to buy other gloves because I left the ones that I normally use at home. So did I tell you guys that I also forgot a toothbrush? Yesterday we went to the mall because I needed to buy a toothbrush, so I forgot a lot of things. So here we are. I also bought this for 25 rand. And then I bought this small straightener. Or what is it called? Yeah, a multi-use hair straightener. This one, I got it for 100 rand at Mr. Price. It's so convenient for traveling because it's small, so you just put it in your toiletry bag. I don't know what's good, but something is happening in this room. I also bought myself a smaller lunch box. Right, it's so cute. It's so cute. So I got it for 90 rand, 89.99. We're not gonna say anything about pink, right? So I've been wanting this, ne? It's pants. The original price was 159, but I got it for 120 at Mr. Price. Kids are like when you go to the beach and you don't want to reveal too much, you wear your swimwear and then wapara this thing modin. Little I think I'm gonna go somewhere soon. I'm just thinking, I'm speaking things into existence, right? I also got this for 50 rand. It's a eye mask, right? So you cover your eyes when you go to sleep. So I bought it because it was 50 rand. That's the only reason I bought it, right? And then I also bought this head. You won't believe how much this was. This was 70 rand. Do you guys see it? It was 70 rand. I have some ads. So guys, everything that I bought today, I love it. Ooh. As I just not kidding. The reason I keep looking that way is because I've got a mirror there so that I can see if it's more framing or because there's a time I'm using my back camera to record because I get a quality I think it's giving. So the reason I keep looking there is because I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. I think this was a better idea. That it is a good idea. How? Okay, let me just leave it here. Okay, remove this. Yeah, so guys. And then I bought this body scrub also because it was 40 rand. Right. So but let me just check. I'm hoping income enough. It's a Scarlet Hill product, so obvious. Like, it's pretty obvious. Let me just fix my hair. Give it right. Give it one sharp. So, oh, how do I open it? Where is the top? Where is the? Oh my god! What do I do? Oh, I see. It's sealed. It's sealed like this. Do you see it? But it smells nice. Let's get a color thing. It smells very sweet. It's a sugar mask. Yeah, it's a sugar mask because this is sugar and it smells very sweet. Okay. Oh, I also bought this. Keep painting a swimwear, guys, and this was 10 rand. That's the only reason I also bought it. So yeah, I bought this top because generally a brown skirt that I want to wear tomorrow, and it's been very cold here, so I needed to get something long sleeve and it's nice but not too busy because I'm really trying to be professional. And then I got these shoes. I've been buying a lot of brown, so these shoes made so much sense. Right, let me show you guys the detailing that I love the most. Do you see this part? I like it so much. Do you see? And guys, these shoes from a surprise, they're so comfortable. I love that they are comfortable. So we're rocking these tomorrow. What's this? Oh, it's the bonnet that matches with my new pajamas. I bought new pajamas and then I wanted a bonnet that matches with them. So I bought this one. I got it for $14.99. Oh, these heels were, I think, $189. So $190. Yes, $190. So these are the pajamas that I bought. I'm gonna show you guys after wearing it. I guess I'll clap. So it's right, the top, I think. You know what I've also realized, guys? Kerata white edition. Anything that is white, yeah, like erata, whether it's dirty white, cream white, this stuff like. So yeah, that's it from Surprise and CNA. PNA. Let me go bath. Guys, panashawa ke paruna insanela yang. Give man. It's giving. It's really giving. obsessed with this body mist. It's a Mali perfume and I bought it from Foshini when I was coming because I ran out of perfume and I needed to get something. So I got this perfume. It comes with the body mist. So at night after taking a bath, it's a amazing one. And this is after applying oil all over my body. So oil is what I look at in the perfume thing. You get it. And these are my pajamas. I feel like they look so nice. I don't know if this video looks nice like this or like this or like this, but anyway, this is how the pajamas look. Dinali to the I think. No, but it's not adjustable. It's not for adjusting, it's for decoration, need you. You see? And they are very comfortable and and the material feels so good. It's a bit silky. The bonnet is here. Now it's just for, you know, for vibes. Like on the video. So yeah, I'm loving this. Also bought these slippers from Mr. Price. I bought them yesterday. I didn't buy them today. So yeah. Good morning, guys. What's up? And baram. The baram got too late. Hope you are doing better than I am. We woke up to no electricity. I normally wake up at 5 because I need to bath, do my hair, do my makeup, and but I woke up this morning, there was no electricity. At 5:15, I called reception, and from them that there's no electricity in our corridor. Sharp. The reason I found out is because I checked my room, the lights were off. I opened the curtains, it's dark outside. I go outside in the corridor to check if there's anyone who has electricity or it's just my room. I realized that the whole corridor was dark. So I called them. This is around 5:15. The lady says, okay, it's fine. I'll send someone to come check what's going on. The person came at, I think, 6:30, right? To give us these lights in the meantime because they're still trying to sort out. Even now it's 7:15. They're still trying to sort out the situation. So I already took a shower because the water was still hot. So I took a shower. Now I'm trying to do my makeup quickly because I thought I'd wait for electricity to come back or for power to come back before I do my makeup, but it looks like I'm gonna be late for my session today. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a very basic makeup because I really don't have time. Hopefully electricity will come back while I'm busy. So yeah, I wanted to do a get ready with me or a nice simple makeup tutorial, but it doesn't look like it's gonna happen because I'm gonna struggle. There's not enough light. It's just a lot is going on. Maybe I can show you. Do you guys see what I'm talking about? I put my phone on the tripod. I'm trying to film content. This is not gonna work. Let me do my makeup quickly and then I'll show you the end result. Hi besties, I am done with my makeup. Yep. I'm just gonna dress up quickly. I could go about because the outfit that I plan to wear. A lot is going on. Mavane, after taking a shower, I died. I woke up at 10, got 12 to switch off the lights. And then I'm gonna go in. Scam guys. Taking a shower is a scam. So yeah, I'm just gonna look for something that doesn't need to be ironed because electricity is still not back. So yeah, see you. vlog. Le last night ke vlog vlog. Something. Not too much. Hi guys, I'm back from work. We bought some drinks. We're gonna chill. Hey guys, this is my outfit of the day. This is the day that we travel back home. Last night I had the girls over. We had a mini girls chillers, so I didn't want to vlog that because we were drinking alcohol and we were just having some nice and intimate conversations, so I didn't vlog that. Yesterday after our last session we went to the mall, and then from the mall I'll unbox the things that I bought at the mall when I got home. We went straight to the hotel to get food, and then we came back to the guest house. So today we are leaving. Now we are going to have breakfast at the hotel, and then we're going to be heading home. So yeah, please stick around. I'm not wearing makeup today, so I'm just gonna be natural, but lipstick it's a must. So yeah, I just wanted to have more hours to sleep. That's why I didn't do my makeup today. And anyway, it's travel day, so no need really. So yeah, let's go. I'm taking my